Well then, because they're all DCC, right?
I believe so. Yeah, the Allegheny Central one's good.
You should get a case with the stand on it just for that.
I'd like to. There we go. I'm right at the crossing. I got it on record. You can even get the Athearn, Genesis, and Cato roller bearing trucks on these cars. They all have them. Athearn, Genesis, and Cato trucks on them cars. They roll a lot nicer too. I like your CONRAIL shirt.
I bought that.
He just got those today.
Museum.
Oh, that's cool.
Well, I'm a CONRAIL fan.
I've been all my life. Well, I grew up around it. Yes. All right, I'll leave it recording because your train's going to come by. I'm going to speed up my train a little bit.
Try to get some shots, man.
Jordan, slow your train down just a hair. All right, that's good. That way I can get a good run by of it going by. I have it right up by the railroad crossing. We use Digitrax DCC too. That's the best way to go. It's one of the most complicated systems to learn, but it's fun. It has all the bells and whistles though. Bells and whistles. Doesn't it have the Paragon too? Yeah. Broadway Lemon's a good company for that. Nice. That's so cool. $55.36.
Should I get in any of my...
He's gonna pass Alto and Slope before he goes up over Summit.
Done. When I'm this be up right tonight, I'll be recording up there too.
All right.